What's up guys, Vansbreak here, back with another video. And in this video guys, I'll be showing you how to make this epic Fortnite header in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. This tutorial, it looks difficult but it's easy guys, don't worry. So what you're gonna need guys just is my assist pack. I'll leave a link to download it in the description down below. So here it is, go and download it for completely free, and there we are ready to go. So first guys, what you're gonna do is just to go to file, add a new one by 3000 and 1000 resolution. So as you can see, way black. So actually what I'm gonna do is just to change the color to black. So make Control and I, and boom, there you go. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to import the cinema. Just drag it here, then go there, hold shift and drag, and boom, there you go. We have this pretty cool nice wallpaper. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add the skin, I think. Yeah, the skin, just drag it and here, and make sure that the head is in the top of the header to make a nice split. So there you go. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add a new gradient map, as you can see. So go to gradient, go to gradient map. Just make sure that your gradient is going from black. Then choose another color. I will choose red, like so. There you go. Then guys, take the lasso tool and just make split like this. It just automatically create selection. Then take the black brush and just do like this. There you go. Then guys, add a new gradient map. I will choose green color this time, and just take the lasso tool, create split like this. Take the brush tool and just brush it like this. So then you can change the color with choosing, I will choose turquoise like this. So it's pretty cool, and boom, there you go. We have this pretty cool nice background. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to take the brush tool, add a new layer, make it smaller, and just make some brushes like this to make it darker, to give the shadow effect like so, and boom, there you are ready to go. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add a new layer, zoom out, take the brush tool, make the size bigger, take it wide, and just do something like this, and change the mode to overlay to get this nice result. So you can see the difference. That's so dope. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add the action effect. So and make it bigger like so. Just go to blending option and then the motor screen to get this pretty cool nice effect. Then guys, if you want less the effect, just make it bigger and put it on the middle like this. So here we have this pretty cool. You can reduce the opacity like this to have pretty cool nice effect. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add the text. So the layer style is here. I will show you how to do it. Just I will write the text, I will write your name, I will write fans like so. Just control and rotate it like this, and put it under the skin. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to go to double click on it to open the layer style option. I I'll go to style and choose this one. So first check the stroke with 25 of size. The position is outside and the opacity is 100%. Go to inner glow, change the blend mode to overlay. Go to 20 with opacity, full white color, and the size 88. Then go to the gradient, add the black and white gradient, and just change the color to these codes 006622, and go to this color and check this code 00FF for I think 48, yeah, and boom, there you go. You will have something like this. So make Ctrl T and just make it smaller like this. So we have this pretty cool nice. So I will make it more bigger, and there you go. You have this epic text, and just add a new layer. Take a brush tool, make the size smaller, take the black color and more smaller, and just make something like this to give the shadow effect, and you are ready to go. So here, as you can see, we are going cool. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add some CCs. So first guys, add brightness and contrast. Just make the brightness higher and the contrast too. So make sure that the contrast is more than the brightness. I'll go with a curve. So we are going with high contrast, so we are going to make an S like so. And then guys, I will go level, so I will add a vignette. So make like this, make it darker. Just go to the mask, go to the gradient, choose a Roger with black and white, add rules. So to hide rules, make Ctrl R, just put one on the middle vertically and the other horizontally, and just take the gradient and do like this. So you will have this pretty cool effect on the side. Then guys, what I'm gonna do is just to add a new layer. Take the brush, make it bigger, take a black color and do it right there, and change the mode to overlay like this. So you will see the difference actually. Then guys, what I'm gonna do is just to add some social media. So I will place the texts actually like this. I will add the social media. So in the asset pack you will find some. So add the Twitter. So I will go, where is it? Here it is. So I will add the social media, then I will go.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that.
So here guys, as you can see, we are done with the social media. So what I actually do is just to add the Twitter icon, add a text, add the same layer style, decrease the size of the stroke, and we are good to go. So you see actually a difference. So you can ask what is the difference. So I will add some CC. So go to add a new layer, take the elliptical marquee tool, just click, something like this. Make Control Shift I to invert the collection. Should invert the colors, make Control Backspace, and you will fill something like this. So go to filter, blue. So I think go to filter blue and Gaussian blur, and just make it bigger. Make Control A, V, and just move it here. So actually you would add a new layer, take the brush tool, add the white color and add the little light at the top. So I added the snow particles, but I will not add them in this tutorial. So I added to my client the sponsor icon. Just I will go to social media and I will put them here like so. And then guys, what I'm gonna do is just to add in your human situation, make the situation something up and the lightness down. Go to exposure, make it high, and you will have this pretty cool high contrast thing. Then guys, make the effect for opacity like so, and you are good to go. So here is guys the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for the channel. See you in the next